Hello, this is Twinkle theme. So we come to Twinkle theme and now we're gonna play it, but with stops right before the 1, 2, 3 when you have to put 3 fingers on. So I'm gonna give you a cue to start right there, right after, right before the 3 comes. So here we go, Twinkle theme. We're gonna do it relatively slow, and here we go. Twinkle, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. One, two, three, ready, play. One, two, three, ready, play. One, two, three, ready, play. And that's it. Practice. Bye.